In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your Bitmoji gender here in Snapchat. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But to start, obviously open up Snapchat, and what you're going to want to do is swipe to the left to go to your chat page and tap on the top left corner and select your Bitmoji. From here, go ahead and click on the gear icon up in the top right corner to open up your settings. Scroll down on this page, you're going to see a Bitmoji option. Go ahead and select that, and here you're going to see your current avatar. Now, to actually change your gender, you're going to need to reset your Bitmoji. So to do this, go ahead and select Remove My Bitmoji down in the very bottom. And once that's done, select Create My Avatar and choose New at the very bottom. And from here, you'll see the option to select a gender. Choose whatever one you would like. But yeah, from here, you can customize your face or just skip ahead and design it later. Whenever you are happy though, make sure you hit Save in the top right and pick an outfit to finish it off. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That's how you can actually change your Bitmoji gender here in Snapchat. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.